I'm outside the Clarion headquarters here in London. They're based off Tooley Street at number 6 More London Place. For many Clarion residents, it's been extremely difficult to get in contact with them. But you can come to their offices here on Tooley Street and approach them directly face to face. Their building is huge. They are based here. They are contactable if you come here in person and give them your complaint or any issue that you might have, because as we know, it's not possible to call them on the customer service number or to get through to the repair services. It's very difficult even to email or even to get a response. Clarion are telling us...
I have to interrupt you. Tripod is not allowed on the estate.
Okay, do you want to hold my camera?
No, I'm not holding it.
Okay, all right. Did you know Clarion residents are not able to contact their landlord by phone or by email?
Honestly, yeah.
So that's why we're here outside their building, so we can contact them. And this message is to contact our landlord. Now, if your landlord refused to contact you, you wouldn't be happy. So the 125,000 Clarion residents who are unable to contact their landlord, well, they're here, they're based in this building here. And there are security guards who are stopping us from protesting outside their building. So how are Clarion residents are allowed, how can residents complain to their landlord if they're not able to contact them or to stand outside their building and to make their voices heard? What else can we do? If they're not responding to our emails, if they're not picking up the phone, then what are we supposed to do? Hence, we are outside their offices here in central London to make our voices heard. And for those who are watching this video, share it and hopefully it will get through to their management and all the other housing association tenants, including the Minister for Housing, so they can be aware of the issues and the lack of customer service that Clarion Housing Association is treating all of their residents up and down the country.